Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is Hythe Station Light Railway. A lovely area. Let's have a look round. That's the entrance to the trains. There's no entry, but we can have a little sneak peek. Yes, a carriage of coal. These are steam trains. The Romney Hythe Dymchurch Railway. It's a nice picture. The car park. Also charging here. Same charges as New Romney. £2.50 for up to 2.5 hours. This is the end of the line at Hythe, so it runs from Hythe to Dungeness. And then you've got New Romney in the middle. I'm not sure if there's any other stops. That's Hythe Town. It's not too far away from here. I have previously tried toilets them, gents. The drone. The only thing here is it's quite close to the live firing ranges. So I'm not sure what the restrictions are. I should imagine obviously you can't fly directly over them, but might be able to fly near them. So this is the platform. Obviously it terminates, so you terminate there. That way heads off to Dungeness. Obviously goes through New Romney, St Mary's Bay, or St Mary's Bay, New Romney, and other stops probably, and other little places on the way. But yeah, just head back out here. As I say, there's never much to see. These are only little stations. Hythe Ambulance Community Response Post. Might take advantage of that toilet. Yeah, that's Hythe train station. You see the canal, the military canal is where I started. Do some research into that, it's quite interesting if you're in the Hythe area. Alright, that's it.